Yeah, hi mates. Today we talk about screw compressors. A screw compressor is a type of a mechanical device that compresses the gas or air in a closed system. It is designed with two spiral-shaped screws that rotate around each other using an electric motor. As the screws move, they create the pocket of air or gas in between, which are then trapped and compressed towards the center of the screw. The compressed gas or air is then discharged through a valve to the required application. Screw compressors are highly efficient, reliable, and low maintenance. They are commonly used in air conditioning, refrigeration, and industry applications where a constant flow of compressed air or gas is required. For more information about a screw compressor, please refer to my blog at chinacompressor.org/blog. Thank you.